It's been 45 degrees here in Adelaide today, but DJI is about to drop something which is even hotter. On January 29, they've got a brand new product coming out, but what's it all about? Well, stick around because in this video, we are going to tell you all about it. Now, the clues they've been dropping for this brand new product come with the tagline of Lead the Scene, with a release time of midday GMT on January 29. Now that's 1 p.m. in the afternoon in Berlin, 5:30 in Delhi, 8 p.m. in Manila, 11 p.m. in Sydney here in Australia, 1 a.m. in the morning in Auckland, that's gonna be the following day, the 30th, and in Vancouver, it's 4 a.m. in the morning, and it's gonna be 7 a.m. in New York City. That's when they're gonna drop this brand new product. Now, at those time frames we just mentioned, DJI is gonna be dropping the brand new RS5 gimbal. It features a new stabilizer with enhanced subject tracking. Now, this type of subject tracking doesn't need a phone app to operate. You can fully charge this new gimbal in 1 hour, which is a lot quicker than last year's RS4, which took 2.5 hours, and it has 15% more battery life. It also has a Z-axis indicator, which helps with balancing and reducing vertical shake when you are filming with your camera. Just like last year's gimbal though, it does actually have the same load capacity, which is 3 kilograms, which is about 6.6 pounds. It also includes enhanced NATO rails, which prevents accessories falling off your system when you're out filming. And it's also going to feature a super handy briefcase handle, which makes it easy to carry when you're out in the field. Of course, these are just some of the features of this exciting new product from DJI. Here in Australia, it's expected to retail for around about 840 Australian dollars, which is around about 550 US. So if you are in the market for a brand new gimbal, well, make sure you set your clocks for midday GMT on the 29th of January. To learn more about action cameras and accessories and mounts, what you want to do is click on this video over here now. Thanks for your company today. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.